ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ. ಪೇಜಾವರ ಮಠದ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಶ್ವಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಥರ 34ನೆಯ ಚಾತುರ್ಮಾಸದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥದಾಸರ ಆರಾಧನೆಯ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾಪ ತೆಲುಗು, ತಮಿಳು, ಮರಾಠಿ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಮತ್ತು ತುಳು ಈ ಥರ ಅವರವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಭಾರತಿ ನಾಮಾವಳಿ ಆಚಾರ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವಚನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋರು ಹರಿನಾಮಾವಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಭಾರತಿ ನಾಮಾವಳಿ ಆಚಾರ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಇವರು ಹರಿಕಥಾಮೃತ ಸಾರದ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ದಾಸರು ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ಹರಿಕಥಾಮೃತ ಸಾರದ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿ ಸಂಧಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತಿ ನಾಮಾವಳಿ ಆಚಾರ ಅವರು, ಭಾರತಿಯವರು ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗಳು, ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ, ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
हे परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। जलज्येष्ठ निभाकार जगदीश पदाश्रयं जगतीतलविख्यातं जगन्नाथ गुरुं भजे। तपस्वाध्याय शुश्रूषा कृष्णपूजा रतं मुनिं विश्वेशमिष्टदं वन्दे वैव्राट् चक्रवर्तिनं श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। In the divine presence of Sri Paramapujya Vishwaprasanna Tirtha Swamiji, seeking his blessings and with the strength of his holy blessings, today, on the occasion of Dasashrestha Sri Jagannatha Dasara Aradhana Mahotsava, I would like to speak a few words on his greatest literature work of Harikathamritasara of Vyapti Sandhi. Everything I speak is the blessings of Swamiji and according to my knowledge limit. Before starting on Vyapti Sandhi, let us see a brief introduction about Jagannatha Dasara. Haridasa literature is one of the most valuable treasure of our Kannada empire. It is like a crown of culture and spiritual heritage. The contribution of Haridasaru is to spread the tattva of Sri Madhvacharyaru across the globe is very remarkable. Purandaradasaru, Kanakadasaru, Jagannathasaru, Gopaladasaru, Vijayadasaru are the main contributors of Haridasa literature. They wrote thousands of songs, suladis, uga boga, which touched and resides in everyone's heart. The life history of Jagannath Dasaru is pleasure to hear and divine to feel. Jagannath Dasaru was born in Vyagavatta village of Manvi Taluk in Raichur district. His parents' name was Narasimhacharya and Lakshmi Bai. They were the greatest devotees of Tirupati Srinivasa. They both decided to visit Tirupati once in a year. As a result, they got a boon from Srinivasa, so they kept the baby name as Srinivasa. As he grown, they decided to send him for higher education near Varadendra Tirtharu. At the small age, he learnt Veda, Vedanta, Tarka, Vyakarana, and at the small age, he wrote Varadendra Stuti Panchaka. He got his Ankita in Pandrapur while taking bath in Chandrabhaga river. He wrote many songs, suladis, uga boga. Out of his work, Harikathamritasara is most valued, followed and loved by everyone. It is called Anusudha. Jayatirtharu wrote Sudha Grantha in Sanskrit language. Harikathamrita is the Kannada version of Sudha. It consists of 32 parts called Sandhi, which all praises Lord Vishnu as Sarvottama. A busy bee collects nectar from all the flowers. In the same way, Jagannatha Dasaru collected the essence from Vedas and Upanishads. So let us see the third chapter of Vyapti Sandhi. Harikathamruta sara gurugala karunadinda panitu peluve parama bhagavad bhaktaridanadharadi keluvudu. Vyapti means what? Vyapti means it's where a God spreads his creation over the universe. Hari means Lord Vishnu. Katha means story of God. Amrita means immortality. Sara means it is the essence of total 18 Puranas including Bhagavata. Gurugala Karunadinda. Here Dasaru describes about two main gurus. First guru is in Narasimha Avatara. Hiranyakashipu was having 4 sons: Prahlada, Sarlada, Anuhlada and Hlada. Prahlada was the avatar of Rayaru. He taught all the Tattvavada of Madhvacharya to his brother Sahlada, who was the avatar of Jagannatha Dasaru. Second guru is Gopala Dasaru. He gave his 40 years of his lifespan to Jagannatha Dasaru. So let us see the first stanza. Purusha Rupatraya Puratana Purusha Purushottama Ksharakshara Purusha Pujita Pada Purnananda Gnanamaya Purusha Sukta Sumeya Tat Purusha Hrut Pushkara Nilaya Mahapurusha Jandantaradi Bahiradi Vyapta Nirlipta. Purusha means Puru means Paripurnavada, complete. Sha means Shadguna Ullavanu, person having complete knowledge, who is responsible for the whole universe, is Purusha. Rupatraya, God exists in 3 forms. Shrushti Sthiti Laya means generator, destroyer and operator. He resides in Lord Brahma, who is responsible for creation, and he resides in Lord Shiva, who is Layakarta and takes the destroying the world. Puratana Purusha, he is the one who present before the universal destruction. Purushottama, he is the supreme amongst all the Purusha. All Vedas and Upanishads glorifies the quality of Lord Vishnu. Ksharakshara, Kshara means which can be destroyed. Akshara means which cannot be destroyed. Both the person he resides and take care of them. Purnanandamaya, Lord Vishnu's body is made up of Gnana Anandamaya, knowledge and unusual happiness. Dasaru says in Karma Vimochana Sandhi, ಬೆಲ್ಲದಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಎಂದದಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೊಳಗುರು ತಿಪ್ಪ ಶ್ರೀಭೂನಲ್ಲ ಇವಗೆಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮಲ್ಲ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ. Lord Vishnu is like sweet sugar doll. He resides in everyone's heart, and he is the king of goddess Lakshmi Devi, and no one is equivalent to him. He is the ultimate and supreme power in the whole universe. Purusha Sukta Sumeya, according to Purusha Sukta, means it is the stotra from Veda which all describes Paramatma. Sumeya, Sumeya means Su means ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, good. Meya means it is beyond our imagination. ಊಹಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. During performing Abhisheka, everyone chant Purusha Sukta, which describes Vishnu as Sarvottama. Hrut Pushkara Nilaya, Lord Vishnu resides in Stula Deha as well as Swarupa Deha. He resides in everyone's heart. He exists in small atom as well as in the whole universe. He is called Anurenu Trunakashta Paripurna Govinda. Mahapurusha. Mahapurusha means compared to all God, Garuda, Shesha, Rudra, Brahma, Vayu, Vishnu is Sarvottama. He is worshipped by all living beings. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Lord Vishnu is Isha, others are Dasa. Ajandantaradi Bahiradi Vyapta. Ajanda means Brahmanda, universe. He resides in male, taking male form. He resides in female, taking female form. He stays in living as well as non-living things. He resides in Panchabhutagalu, sky, air, water, fire, earth, etc. Bahiradi means outside universe. Vyapta means Lord Vishnu presents in the whole universe. He is the king of the Brahmanda. Nirlipta, yara guna dosha lepa avagilla. Even though he resides in male, female, their disease, their bad habits won't affect God. He is the eternal source and force in the whole universe. ಎಲ್ಲರೊಳು ತಾನಿಪ್ಪ ತನ್ನೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿಯನು ಅಪ್ರತಿಮಲ್ಲ ಮನ್ಮಥ ಜನಕ ಜಗದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮಧ್ಯಗಳ ಬಲ್ಲ ಬಹುಗುಣ ಭರಿತ ದಾನವ ದಲ್ಲಣಾ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ವಿಠಲ ಸೊಲ್ಲಲಾಲಿಸಿ ಸ್ತಂಭದಿಂದಲಿ ಬಂದ ಬಕುತನಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೊಳು means in all living beings, ತಾನಿಪ್ಪ ಹಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿಂಬರೂಪಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ತನ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೊಮಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಬೋತ್ ಮುಕ್ತಜೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಮುಕ್ತ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಧರಿಸಿಹನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೊಮಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಳಯ ಕಾಲ. ಸೇಂಟ್ ವಾದಿರಾಜರು ಸೇಸ್, ಆದಿ ಕಾರಣನಾಗಿ ಆಗ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದು ಮೋದ ಜೀವರ ತನ್ನುದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅನಾದಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಹಸಗೆ ಬಾ. ಬಹುಗುಣ ಭರಿತ, ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ದಾನವ ದಲ್ಲಣ, ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್. ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ವಿಠಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಆಲ್ ಮೈಟಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಲಲಾಲಿಸಿ, ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಡಿವೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ. ಸ್ತಂಭದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಂದ ಬಕುತನಿಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್. ಇನ್ ಭಾಗವತ, ಸತ್ಯಂ ವಿಧಾತುಂ ನಿಜಭೃತ್ಯ ಭಾಷಿತಂ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಂ ಚ ಭೂತೆ ಶ್ವಖಿಲೇಶು ತಾತ್ಪರ ಅದೃಶ್ಯತಂ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ ರೂಪ ಉದ್ಭವಂ ಸ್ತಂಭೆ ಸಭಾಯಂ ನಮೃಗಂ ನಮಾನುಷಂ. I thank Swamiji for giving me a great opportunity to tell some words. I dedicate my words to the lotus feet of Param Pujya Swamiji, thanking him. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.